Welcome to another Adventures of Zebdallas. I'm Zebdallas, and today we finally got it. The RC Mine and Train and Toy set. This is part of Power Trains 2.0, as you can see in the corner right there. The reason I like Power Trains is because I don't have a real model train yet. I just have the engine of chassis system. And I finally got this. Join me as we do this awesome unboxing. So let's get this big baby out. Here it is. Control. Mine thing. And here's the train. So we get here, as shown, an engine, freight car, a box car, a caboose, diorama, and this is a flat car and a mine car, and a dump truck. Vehicles aren't part of this, but now they apparently are. Here's the dump truck. It goes all the way up. We have the engine and the box car, which are connected. Next up, we have the caboose. It's orange and black. Let's connect these. So the way you connect them, just squeeze. And then we get a flatbed car, though I already have one. There's no use for two, but there is. And the last one is a mine car, or mine cart. And then watch.
What does it do?
It tips out whatever I put in it. Here's what the train looks when it's all put together. And it's actually kind of awesome. These are the pieces for the toy. The reason I like it is that this works. And there's lots. And this actually works too. And when you look under it, you can find out how it works. First this car comes and then dumps and this goes up and then watch. People are coming out. We just got it put back together, and this is the remote. So when I push it forward, watch, it goes. When I do that, it stops. And you know what? And there's a secret door. Watch up there, kids. He goes, and then watch. Poop. There. Be sure, if you don't have a small screwdriver, you couldn't do this. And these guys are a pain to open. And these take 7 AAAs. Make sure your parents have a lot of AAAs for that. Bye. don't know.